All right, so our last one here for this section is graphing proportional relationships. The trick is to kind of just create a scale factor and find a unit rate. The word unit implies single, a single unit. So we're taking something that may be, well, this first one, 10 candles sold, and we're trying to see what it would be with 1 candle sold. So let's go through and do this. It says Simon sold candles to raise money for a school dance. He raised a total of $25 selling 10 candles. Find the rate, amount earned, then graph the relationship. So if he makes $25 for 10 candles, we want to find out how much he makes for 1 candle. So we have to, well, a lot of people would say cross multiply. That'd be 25 equals cross multiply 10x, and we divide by 10. But basically you're going to divide by 10 anyway to get this to be 1 candle. And if you divide by 10, you get $2.5 per single candle. Alright, so your rate is 2.5 per candle, and then we create scales. Well, candles sold, and a scale of 5 is pretty good because 2.5 is half of that. 2 candles would be 5, that's 2.5 twice. I can just plug it in, right? 10 candles right there would be $25 right there, and you can graph your information. So let's go ahead and come down here and talk about one. So a local store, right, sells 8 corn muffins for $16. Alright, so we earn $16 for selling 8. Alright, we want to find out how much we'd make for 1. So we create a proportion. We can divide by 8, divide by 8, and that is 2, right? That is 2 per muffin. So the unit rate is 2 per muffin. So to create a scale, all right, we can do muffins down here. Muffins sold. And well, hopefully, oh, you know what I did? I'm going to have to go back and hit this. I didn't say $16, did it? It said 6. So, well, if I divide 6 by 8, 6 divided by 8 gives me, looks like 75 cents. So, 0.75 cents per muffin. Alright, that's a little bit different. So, we could, let's go by a scale of, I don't know, we'll go, what's twice 0.75? That's $1.50. So let us do muffins sold. We'll go by 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We want to get at least $6 out of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that. See how it turns out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go by ones. So 1 muffin is 75 cents. 2 muffins is $1.50. 3 muffins is $3.25. 4 muffins is $3, which makes 8 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, and we can kind of make that scale as we go up, and we're going to see something that looks like that. Alright, using this information, create a scale. The x-axis will represent the muffins sold. Alright, that's an independent variable. That means muffin sales affects money. Money doesn't affect muffins sold. The y-axis will represent the dollar amount. So I'll say dollars. Alright, the origin of the graph represents right here when 0 muffins are sold. You don't have any money when 0 muffins are sold. And we got the x-axis going from 0 to 9. The y-axis will go from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Plot the points to represent. And there it is. Alright. So, in example 4a, which we have up there. Simone raised a total of $25 selling 10 candles. If Simone raised $30 for selling 10 candles, would the unit rate be higher or lower? Well, let's do it. $30 per 10 candles. I'm going to turn this into a 1. So let's cross multiply. 10x equals 30. X equals $3 per candle. Right? So 3 is definitely higher than 2.5. Right? Your unit rate is higher. Higher. Alright, because $3 per candle is higher than 2.5. Alright, so I want you to try this. Try 10, try 11, and we will talk about it tomorrow, and that ends this section. Talk to you guys soon. We will practice. If it's hard, don't worry, we'll work on it.